Welcome to this groundbreaking look into the future of automotive technology, ladies and gentlemen. We're delving deep into Tesla's new AI frontier in today's video. We now reveal the ground-shaking ramifications of their most recent discovery. Settle down for an exciting ride as we take you on a tour of Tesla's fully autonomous version 12, game-changing innovation that will bring us closer to level 4 and level 5 autonomy. Like that. What does it, however, signify for Tesla's goals? While studying this technological marvel, we will uncover Tesla's ambitious aspirations to establish a business for robo-taxi services. Indeed, you read correctly. Robo-taxis are now cruising the streets. What does this mean for the future of travel, and how close are we to making this a reality? That's not all, though. We have figures that will tickle your sense of finances as we explore how this new autonomous ride-sharing business can propel Tesla's earnings into the stratosphere. Stay tuned. And I'd like to talk to you before we get started. What are your thoughts on the ramifications of Tesla's most recent AI breakthrough? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and let's get the discussion going. Before we proceed, please ensure that you have previously clicked the like button and that you have subscribed to Tesla Stock News. Now, buckle up because we're about to embark on a voyage into the future of transportation technology. Now, let's get started. Fully autonomous driving is expected to arrive at a pivotal point that will impact not only Tesla, but also the investors who have placed their trust in the firm. Tesla, a company known for breaking records and continuously pushing the limits of technology, is about to accomplish what might be its greatest feat to date on August 25. Elon Musk, the unconventional CEO of Tesla, made a statement that sent shockwaves across the automotive industry. He achieved this by uploading an engrossing 45-minute film instead of holding a conventional press conference or revealing a new device. Musk positioned himself in the driver's seat of a Tesla Model 3 in the video. The twist is that he wasn't actually driving. Then what was he doing? Version 12, or V12 as it is affectionately called, is the most recent and revolutionary version of Tesla's self-driving software that Musk was introducing to the world. The development of this software represents a significant advancement towards completely autonomous cars. Musk's hands are not seen on the driving wheel throughout the film, but the vehicle manages to pull off complex maneuvers with style. It can parallel park itself perfectly, obey traffic signals precisely, and maneuver around roundabouts with elegance. Musk is using his phone to record the astounding demonstration while his hands are busy with it rather than the steering wheel. This video is not merely a demonstration of cutting-edge technology. It's a peak at a time when autonomous vehicles will change the way we think about transportation. The V12 FSD software from Tesla may signal a sea change in the vehicle industry and have a significant impact on how we commute and travel. Tesla's reputation as a trailblazer grows with every second that goes by as the company introduces ideas that change people's perceptions of what is possible and enthrall audiences worldwide. And while investors wait anxiously to see what will happen next, they can't help but wonder if this new development will be the catalyst for Tesla's stock to fly to new heights. The scene is set, and everyone in the car industry is holding their breath to see what Tesla will do next. Tesla is getting closer to its goal of having fully autonomous cars. Tesla's entire self-driving software version 12 represents a major advance in the company's unrelenting pursuit of level 4 or perhaps level 5 autonomy, wherein human drivers are reduced to spectators while the car takes over. Still, the software still has bugs and needs to be adjusted. V12 differs from its predecessors in the FSD range due to its sole dependence on artificial intelligence-driven neural networks. In the past, Tesla's human programmers hard-coded the crucial decisions even though the FS software used neural networks to map out the vehicle's surroundings. V12 removes the need for human intervention to direct particular actions. The wonders of AI advancement have allowed V12 to be able to determine the best course of action for a vehicle on its own. The enormous volume of data processing required to accomplish this amazing feat, imagine poring over a vast archive of video footage gathered from the world's crowded highways and back roads, all courtesy of Tesla's expansive fleet of 4 million cars. Tesla uses the processing power of its crown jewel, the supercomputer Dojo, to take on this enormous assignment. Dojo manages the complexities of analyzing this sea of data with processing capacity to match the swiftest creatures in the digital world. However, Dojo is not a one-man show. It is supported by a powerful legion of NVIDIA GPUs, each of which is a formidable machine in and of itself. Working ceaselessly as a team, this digital dream team calculates figures, analyses trends, and improves the neural networks that power Tesla's pursuit of autonomous vehicles. We are getting closer to a time when automobiles will be able to drive themselves with previously unheard of levels of precision thanks to this symphony of silicon and algorithms. VET 12 essentially heralds a paradigm change towards autonomous vehicles that are capable of making snap decisions based on a multitude of real-world facts. As Tesla embraces a future where AI rules supreme, the days of depending just on hard coding are long gone. This brings us closer to a time when the steering wheel will become obsolete. For Tesla's coders, coming up with replies for self-driving cars used to be a difficult task. The amount of factors that had to be taken into account due to the unpredictable nature of the road limited the capabilities of earlier iterations of Tesla's fully autonomous driving system. This is where self-learning neural networks come into their own. They usher in an era of improved autonomy and rapid learning, making human programmers redundant. The main obstacle Tesla faces in achieving levels 4 and 5 autonomy for these neural networks is gathering and analyzing visual data. Fortunately, compared to the first challenge of creating and training neural networks, this process seems easy. Why? As it happens, Tesla already has a big fleet of cars with cameras that are constantly recording footage as they drive about the city. To top it all off, Tesla has a secret weapon up its sleeve, a computer architecture built specifically to handle the enormous work of analyzing all that visual data. And its digital behemoth is prepared and ready to take on the big tasks with unflinching efficiency. Tesla's dedication to expanding the frontiers of technological innovation is demonstrated by this custom computing configuration. It's a digital powerhouse built to process and filter through massive amounts of visual data, identify important details, and help advance Tesla's self-driving capabilities. For the most part, autonomous driving is being paved by Tesla's computing infrastructure, which is essentially composing a symphony of information, whereas the majority of us can hardly handle our daily data intake. Thus, it appears that Tesla is prepared to tackle the next lap in this massive race towards complete autonomy. In addition to potentially resulting in safer roads, reaching level 4 or 5 autonomy will allow Tesla to fulfill its greatest dream of building a successful robotaxi company. At the moment, this project is Tesla's top priority. Motivated by its ability to change Tesla's financial environment, as well as Elon Musk's ambitious conviction in nearly endless demand. Elon Musk isn't the only visionary in this field. He is well known for his bold forecast and unshakable conviction that Tesla's stock might soar to incredible heights. When it comes to seeing the seismic potential of a thriving fleet of robo-taxis, he's hardly a lone wolf. This revolutionary idea isn't just wishful thinking. It has the potential to act as the equivalent of a rocket, enabling Tesla to mingle with the wealthiest and most prestigious businesses in the world. Imagine Tesla becoming one of the biggest names in business and changing the perception of what is possible for autonomous driving and electric cars. It's an ambitious and audacious trip that might redefine what's possible and change entire industries. One of Tesla's greatest supporters, ARK Invest, a well-known investment firm, ran Monte Carlo simulation in April 2023 to estimate just how seismic this move could be. The outcomes ranged from a scenario that was bearish to one that was ordinary to one that was bullish. The revelation they made was very astounding. Heralded investment firm ARK Invest dared to depict a picture of the financial world in which the successful introduction of robotaxis might be nothing short of remarkable. The financial harvest in their future vision varies greatly from a healthy $200 billion in the most cautiously gloomy scenario to an astounding $613 billion, the extremely bullish forecast. This is a determined projection based on data simulations and a strong belief in the technology's potential, not just wishful thinking. These numbers don't only reflect income. They also hold the potential to change how we view transportation and redefine the success of a business that has revolutionized the automobile industry. Furthermore, they estimated that before deducting interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, robotaxis might account for more than 2/3 of the business's future earnings. Though bear in mind that models and simulations have their limitations. Even in the most bleak scenario in which robotaxis generate only $200 billion in income annually, that would represent a massive 700 increase over Tesla's current revenue, which is slightly less than $25 billion. There is an exciting path ahead, and Tesla's rise is destined for greatness. Although simulations such as ARK's provide insight into the possibilities of self-driving cars and the burgeoning robo-taxi sector, they are still theoretical. However, these revelations highlight how revolutionary these breakthroughs may be for Tesla. Given that Tesla's stock has dropped more than 30 from its peak, some investors may view this as a favorable time to invest. In fact, Tesla's profit margins have been eroded by macroeconomic variables such as rising interest rates and inflation, which has affected share prices. The issue is, though, Tesla seems confident in its capacity to weather these brief market turbulence. Why? Because its strong financial base allows it to stand tall, and its output and revenue figures consistently break records. As fully autonomous driving technology and a lucrative robo-taxi business loom large in the distance, Tesla appears well positioned to be at the forefront of artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and investment portfolios for many years to come. Although there are unknowns in the road ahead, Tesla and its investors have exciting prospects for the future. That's all, people. Thorough look at Tesla's fascinating world, its pursuit of autonomous driving, and the robo-taxi revolution. With the release of version 12 of their fully autonomous software and the intriguing prospect of a lucrative robo-taxi service, Tesla is speeding towards an exciting future. We've talked about the importance of V12 and how it's changing how vehicles drive on our roadways. As seen, Tesla's goals for level 4 and level 5 autonomy have the potential to completely alter the transportation landscape. We've also discussed the possible financial benefits that a successful robotaxi enterprise may offer. Tesla is resilient in the face of obstacles like inflation and growing interest rates, poised to influence AA, electric cars, and investment portfolios in the future. Now let us turn to you. What do you think of Tesla's use of AI and neural networks to achieve complete autonomy? Do you think that, as ARK Invest has hypothesized, a robo-taxi service may completely transform Tesla's financial landscape? In light of the present state of the market, how do you anticipate the performance of Tesla stock in the upcoming years? Post your ideas and observations in the comments area. Please remember to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. If you enjoyed this in-depth look into the world of Tesla and would want to receive updates on the newest news about the company, don't pass up the thrilling adventure that lies ahead. I appreciate you seeing it. I'll see you soon.